Okay, so if you want to download the Trust Wallet, when you come to the Play Store or when you go to the App Store, you will just search, okay? You just search Trust Wallet, okay? Trust Wallet. Everything it has come, then you just search for that one. When it comes, you click on install, okay? So you click on install over here to for it to install onto your phone. Then you will proceed on how to create your accounts or how to trace your Trust Wallet account, okay? Alright, so after you finish downloading the app, then you just open it and then you click on this place. If you have wallet already, you click on I already have a wallet, then you continue. But if you don't have Trust Wallet and you are new to Trust Wallet, after you get the app on the phone, you open it, you click on create new wallet over here, right? Then you create passcode, okay? You create passcode. The passcode should be something that you must remember. Please listen to what they are telling. They said enter your passcode. Be sure to remember it so you can unlock your wallet. I hope you understand. Make sure that you just write it somewhere in order not to forget, okay? You can also use your fingerprints here to also unlock it. You understand? So I'm gonna use the passcode and then come back. Okay, so when you finish, then you click on what? Confirm over here, right? I have my fingerprint on my phone already. If your phone is not a fingerprint phone, you can still use only the passcode. Then you just log in, okay? When I click on the confirm, it will just create the wallet for you. You understand? Very good. Now after that, it said brilliant, your wallet is ready. Now your Trust Wallet is ready. You can buy, you can deposit to get what started. As for Trust Wallet, there is nothing like verification. You don't have to do any verification. You understand? So if you check it, they said buy crypto, deposit crypto. Okay, you can skip these things and then just log in and see the interface of your Trust Wallet. So this is your Trust Wallet. So anytime you get money in your Trust Wallet, this is where it is going to show over here. So you could check. I have nothing in my Trust Wallet over here, right? So if you want to buy crypto, you can click on this place. If you want to put do a deposit or put money inside your wallet, you can also use this option to also put money inside your wallet. And I'll be doing videos separately to be showing you how to do all these things. You understand? So if you check here too, you can see the send over here. Let's say you are sending a crypto from your Trust Wallet to somebody or to a particular platform. You are sending crypto from this Trust Wallet here to that place. Then it means you use the send button, okay? But if somebody want to send you crypto, to your Trust Wallet, you will just use this button here to copy your address, and then you send it to the person for the person to what? To send you the money, and then the money will be what? Reflected into your account over here, right? So if you want to buy crypto to here too, you can still use this option here to buy, okay? Then you click and you enter the amount that you want to buy. So let's say I want to buy $100. When you click on it, you can choose the currency also, okay? You can click on this place here to choose the currency. They have euro, dollar, pounds, and other currencies over here, right? Very good. So then you click on what? Buy over here, right? So this place too is the BTC option, right? And this place too is the Google Pay. If you want to use Google Pay too, you can also use it, right? Also, you see there's P2P here also, okay? There's P2P here. You can also use P2P here, Binance Connect, to also buy. And I'll be making separate videos to be showing you all this one step by step. So if you know you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell and like this video. Comment any question that you have, okay? Very good. Now let me teach you something here. So I'm going to help you use the Trust Wallet here to make some free cryptocurrency, okay? Please, I said free cryptocurrency. You don't have to put money inside your Trust Wallet, okay? But you'll be getting money in your Trust Wallet. That is why I am purposely making this video for you to know, okay? So see you next time. Bye bye.